I've noticed throws women off the most is when there's something that takes them out of their routine. So something like an event, a gathering, a party, holidays, vacations. When these things come up, it throws us off our routine. We fall back into old habits. We feel guilty and like we took 5 steps backwards. And a lot of the times we get discouraged and then just stop trying to lose weight altogether. Now, if we want to stop this cycle from happening, what needs to happen is we need to change our perspective on what these things are. Because when these things come up, they are opportunities to test yourself. You have to view them as a test. Because when life was going fine and dandy, when there wasn't a lot going on and you were on routine, that is when you are learning and growing the most. But just like in school, you need to be tested to see if you've actually been taking in and absorbing the materials properly, or if it's just been going in one ear and out the other. Are my habits really sticking? Is my willpower really growing? How badly do I still want this? These are opportunities to test. And so instead of freaking out, being anxious and overwhelmed, you say, okay, so this is a test. What does acing this test look like for me? And what does passing this test look like for me? And then all you have to do is say, okay, I just have to be 1% better at this test than I was at the last test. And that takes a whole lot of pressure off. That gives you a lot more clarity on what you have to do and what you should be focused on when these things are happening. And that way you can actually see, hey, have I been improving? Are these habits sticking? Or am I in danger of gaining back all the weight that I lost because I really haven't been learning anything new? So take these tests as an opportunity to grow, to reveal any flaws you've been missing, or to prove that you are going in the right direction. And it will completely change how you feel about it, and it'll actually make you feel accomplished instead of discouraged after these things happen.